In today's rapidly advancing world, we witness remarkable achievements in science and technology and globalization. Yet, despite these strides, humanity continues to grapple with deep rooted issues like rising inequality, violence, exploitation, and a sense of growing mental restlessness. This paradox reflects that we have become so engrossed in the external progress that we have forgotten our inner evolution. Human life is not merely physical. It is, in its essence, an ideological flow. A journey from crudity to subtlety, from instincts to consciousness. But modern society often traps the individuals in the cycle of survival, leaving little space for self-reflection or spiritual development. The true human progress must be rooted in what is known as objective adjustment with subjective approach. That is, the physical development must be coupled with the inner journey towards self-realization. We are so deeply consumed by the struggle for material sustenance that the subjective journey is sidelined. This is perhaps the greatest tragedy of our time. Modern world is plagued by the conflict born from imbalance outward and inward. Like a goat that trusts in humans up to the final moments. You know, like a goat that trusts in humans up to the final moments. Many marginalized sections of today's society place their faith in the system, which ultimately betray them. Whether it is rural farmer, daily wage earner, or voiceless animal, they deserve dignity, not mere utility. A society that lacks compassion cannot claim to be truly progressive. To build a world where spiritual growth is possible, we must first ensure that people are not constantly battling for survival. Once the basic needs are fulfilled, only then we can expect individuals to devote time and attention to their inner selves. You know, the spiritual practice is not a luxury. It is ultimate purpose of life. If people are exploited, oppressed, or deprived of opportunities, the soul of humanity will remain restless. Therefore, we need a conscious, compassionate, and balanced human order that equally values outer and inner worlds, duty and devotion, bread and bliss. But it can only flourish in an environment of peace, security, and justice. Baba says, it is your responsibility to protect life in all its forms. A harmonious, a happy combination of Ananda Marga, neo-humanism and Prout is essential to provide justice for inner journey. तो आज का युग बाहरी वाहिक जागतिक तथाकथित प्रगति की ओर दौड़ रहा है और आत्मा अभिमुखी जो यात्रा है उस पर कोई ध्यान नहीं है। लेकिन जीवन का चरम और परम लक्ष्य तो आत्मा अभिमुखी प्रगति ही है। लेकिन यह आत्मा अभिमुखी प्रगति, इसके लिए चाहिए पीस, शांति, सिक्योरिटी, रक्षा, सुरक्षा और न्याय, जस्टिस। यदि यह बाहरी न्याय, आउटर जस्टिस नहीं रहेगा तो इनर जर्नी, आत्मा अभिमुखी यात्रा कभी भी सफल नहीं हो सकती है। इसलिए बाबा कहते हैं कि तुम लोग इस मूवमेंट में, इस आंदोलन में लग जाओ। सभी अपनी आंतरिक यात्रा में, आत्मा अभिमुखी यात्रा में आगे बढ़ें। इसके लिए आनंद मार्ग, नव्य मानवतावाद और प्राउट का एक सुंदर मधुर समन्वय स्थापित कर लो। यही हम लोगों की मानवता के लिए सबसे बड़ी देन होगी। तो यही है आज का विषय, आउटर जस्टिस फॉर इनर जर्नी।